Hola gente hermosa de YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and as seen by the title, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Kate Spade bag that I purchased from the surprise.katespade website a few days ago. And yeah, so if anyone is interested in seeing the specs and exactly how this bag looks, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the box right here. Sorry for reading it loud. I got my knife right here. Okay, so I did actually purchase a wallet to match too, but we'll look at this one secondly. And unwrap the bag. Well, actually, let's talk about the wallet first, just because to me the bag is more exciting. So, the wallet that I purchased is the Eva large by, what is it? Sorry. The wallet that I purchased, I got the details right here, is the Eva large slim bifold wallet, and this is in the color Nimbus gray. Yep, Nimbus gray. Unravel it. And it just looks like this. As you see, it has silver writing on here, and then silver detailing as well. I'm not a fan of silver, but I must admit that this silver and this color gray actually do go really well together. And then the inside is this color. It's like wine red. Okay, and now let's go ahead and unwrap the bag. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. You can tell it needs to be kind of manipulated because it's been folded up, so whatever. This is the Eva medium zip top satchel, and this is also in the color Nimbus gray, and it also has the silver detailing on it as well, if you see the Kate Spade sign. And it also has like these little feet on the bottom, but I'm going to take the paper off and show you the bag in the inside. Okay, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. I kept the little packets, these little bead packets. It soaks up the moisture. Kept them in there. Yeah, you see it just has this pocket in the back. Does not have a zipper on the pocket. Then it's just like, I want to say a bottomless pit, but yeah. It's just that one pocket in the back. And this also does come with a strap holder, so you can also wear it as a crossbody. See, comes with the crossbody strap. and here are they together. I think this is a beautiful combination of colors. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of silver, but I think it looks beautiful on this color gray. This bag is actually 10.5 in height and 13.6 in width. It actually, the drop length is 22 inches, and this is refined grain leather, and it is unlined, as you see on the inside. My glasses, sorry if you see the ring light, but yeah, so that is just all about the bag. You can purchase it at this exact moment on the surprise.katespade.com website. It actually is coming in 2 colors at this exact moment. The other color is cherry wood, so it's more like the reddish color that was on the inside of the bag I just showed you. And yeah, it also has a wallet to match it. And I believe they also have the Eva bag in a different version. So it's not the zip top. I believe it's the one that's like, it has a closure in the middle and it's open on both sides. But yeah, I definitely say check out the website. They have a lot of good deals on there. All right, thank you all so much for watching this video. I absolutely love bags. So you may see some more videos about bags on my channel, as well as other videos dealing with other lifestyle things. If anyone is interested in more bags and unboxings and stuff like that, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Without further ado, thank you all so much for watching again, and see you all in the next video. Bye, love you.